Hey guys, I'm about to fix my controller because it's like broken. This button doesn't even click sometimes with the bumper. So I'm gonna go inside and fix it. Okay, so I'm gonna try to glue this again. Okay, before it broke, I glued it. This works fine though, but this is a problem. I don't know what happened to this one, honestly. Gotta be careful. I don't know why this isn't coming off. I'm gonna pause the video and like see if this comes off. Okay, so I'm just chatting with the Amazon workers to see if they can like do something about it. But for now, this button's fine, so I'm just gonna put some WD-40 and hopefully that would fix it. But I don't know why this is glued. Like, right here, this thing got glued. I did not glue this, and for some reason it's glued. Let me turn my controller off. Put some WD-40. Yeah. Hopefully this works. I'm not trying to put too much. Oh, I put too much. It said just keep clicking it. So I'm just gonna keep on repeating on and clicking it. I think I put too much. I'm gonna keep clicking it. Hopefully it fixes soon, so give me a minute. Okay, so I put WD-40 on it, and now it's like so much better. Like it's actually fixed now. So my controller is fixed, but I'm gonna return this. I just talked to Amazon. They said they're gonna give me a refund, and then I'm gonna order a brand new one. And hopefully it comes by the time the FNCS Community Cup. So I'm gonna play that. I'm gonna go live on it on Saturday. I'm on Twitch. My Twitch is Swavy Boy, Mr. Swavy 25. So I'm gonna be on live on Twitch. So yeah, so it's fixed right now. Let me test it. But either ways, I'm getting a new one, so I just want to make a video, so yeah. And get me to 1,000 followers so I can get a supporter creator, and I can do customs and lives. So that would be action. That would be a W. Alright, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.